see that little sheen? How gorgeous is that? Just doing my makeup and it's time to put some blush on. So Morphe sent me another package. Oh my God. Not even is it just like a blush, but look at each one is a cream, a powder blush, and then like a shimmer, like highlighter type blush, like fun shimmery blush. I am ecstatic. Doing kind of a Halloween look. I know it doesn't look like it right now, but I wanted to do kind of an orangey moment. So I was kind of leaning towards this. These are the Cheek Thrills. How gorgeous. Look at all these colors. You can use like bronzer. Look at this berry one. Y'all, tell me which one you want me to try. I will definitely be trying all of them, obviously. The hot pink, love. Viral sensation multi-finish face trio featuring 3 textures, a satin cream, luminous balm, and a velvet powder in monochromatic tones. Love. I think it's called Beach Bonfire. I have my glasses on. You tell me. Does that say Beach Bonfire? I think it does. Also sent me some brushes. We love Morphe brushes. Take it back to 2016. That was the brush to have. This one is for like cream and liquid blushes. It's kind of more short and sturdy, you know, to get it in there. And then you've got a nice fluffy, like a little cloud cushion. Look how cute this is. Blush layering. Ooh, look. It's got a little protector. Here's the cream. I feel like I want to. It's very nice, very soft. I put a little bit of cream on earlier, but not too much because I knew I was going to do something. Okay. Definitely layerable. Oh, I'm loving that tone. This is a good one for fall and autumn colors. The powder. Oh, yeah, that's pretty. This one's cream. It's cream. The shimmer one is cream too. I didn't know that. Fail. Oh, okay. Here we go. See, I even did them out of order and it still looks good. That's a cream. That's why it had the lid on it. Hello, Amber. So pretty. There's no rules. Not really. Whatever floats your boat. Morphe. Loving the Cheek Thrills. Cheek Thrills, not cheap. But it's not very expensive. So, oh my God, look at that. You see it? You see that little sheen? How gorgeous is that? 7 different ones you can choose from. Blush layering pack is awesome too. I feel like all of this is available at Ulta and Morphe.com for the screenshot. Definitely over 40 approved. Amberific. Here's the final look. Oogie boogie, creepy crawlies. Even put some of the blush on the worm. But I love it. Thank you, Morphe. Let me know if you're checking these out. Boogie boogie. Thanks for watching. My name's Amber Wood, over 40 makeup mom. Bye. Ooh.